Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back. Today's video I'm just going to show you what I did last week. I transferred my washing machine room, painted it and made it all really pretty. It was really plain cream and really boring, and what I've done is I've decorated it. I'm really pleased with it, so I'm hoping it'll inspire you to maybe think of little tiny rooms and how to upcycle and decorate them. So I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, here we go. I'll show you before, during and after. Thanks very much. See you later. Right, I'll do quickly recap. So blue walls we've done, and I've just put blue curtain up behind me, and the bunting I've made, and there's a video on that. You can check that out. I'll put a link in the top. But this one I've used garden and flower themes, and I've stuck it all around the top and on top of this lovely piece of folded fabric that goes over the curtain wire. Matching fabric to that I put on top of the washing machine just now, so that's bringing that together. Now let's decorate it all and make it nice. I'll show you what I've got. I've got some nice little laminated pictures. So I just got out of a magazine. I'm going to put those just here. It's just building up a decoration. All my brushes and pans are there handy, and I'm putting them on little fabric ties and hanging these up there. Now for a few dried flowers. And these little pot roses I thought would be nice on the windowsill. Just behind here. So I've got this lovely little pot here, and I'm going to put my bird food in here, just so it's just storing something pretty. So I'll put that in as well. Washing powder decanted into this little tin instead of a big ugly box. And then everything else I'm going to just put in pretty floral or pretty bags to hang them up. So I've got bags of light bulbs, bags of cleaning products, bags of washing line, hangers, all in bags, and then I'll hang them up in the room so that they're in a pretty bag, and it'll look much better than just stuck hanging up or on the shelf or something. So let's put those in, rearrange it a bit, and then I'll give you the reveal. Nice bag. These are light bulbs. All these bags I've made from reclaimed fabric, curtains and stuff that I bought and I made them. These have got all things like masking tape, sellotape and packing tape. So I put those in here. So, bags of bags. Need to go somewhere. And then, this is not a new thing, everybody often does it, covering up things with curtains. Got a beautiful, very short though, pair of curtains. And this was my inspiration for the room. I wanted to do it blue and flowers and things. So that's when you put it in the washing machine to cover it up. I'll put that on now. I've literally put some hooks and eyes on a curtain wire and then a closed one that goes with this, knocks it into the wood that covers the washing machine, and then I'll pop it on. So now I'm going to show you how it is now. I think it's absolutely fabulous compared to what it was. It's a really cheerful little room now instead of the dingy hovel. I hope it inspires you to think about your pantry or anything like a washing machine room or a little spare room and just jazz it up a little bit. It's a bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's inspired you. Keep watching for more upcycling, cooking, making, sewing videos that I'll be doing as and when I can. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great week. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Here I've put all my gardening things and secateurs, and I'll have my seeds and things up there in spring. In here's the ironing board and ironing and dusters, and things for the washing machine, like lots of bags, the cleaning hoover, dried flowers and all the brushes. As I said before, a pretty little metal pot so that I can put little bits and bobs cleaning things in, and then the washing machine stuff on there, a nice little cover, and the curtain that I got, and all the rest of the things on here. Bags, that's just all the bits and bobs. The back of the door, some more bags that I take out regularly. So I hope you agree, it's come out really nice. Thanks for watching everybody. See you again soon. Bye.